Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to your classes for the day. I hope everybody is healthy and happy. Good morning, Sanvi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Manjeet. Praday, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. All right, children, I hope everybody is healthy and happy. All of you are happy?
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Manjeet. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's great. So, all of you give a thumbs up. Everybody's fine and healthy, all happy? Yes. What is Vali doing? Vali, give me both the thumbs up. Where's the other thumb? Yes. When you were little children, in your nursery classes, you must have heard that rhyme. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. Did you learn that poem? Do you remember? Do you remember your nursery rhymes? I still remember, see. Whatever I learned in my nursery classes, my rhymes, I remember. What we learn, we have to remember that also. Sometimes I keep looking at the rhymes on YouTube and what the beautiful rhymes videos are there. You should also see those videos. Good morning, Sakina. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
You're better, child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Good
Take
morning,
care.
ma'am.
Good morning, Vinayak. Vinayak, child, you are a little late. So we have already finished saying the prayer. I said the prayer today. Now, tomorrow you will say the prayer, right? Make sure you join the class on time. Do not be late. 8 o'clock sharp, we start with the prayer. All right? And you didn't send me the audio also yesterday. So today, by the evening, please send me the audio of the prayer so that I can hear you, that you're saying the prayer nicely. And then tomorrow morning, you'll say it in class. And tomorrow, during the prayer, make sure, children, you all stand for the prayer. जैसे हम लोग स्कूल में लाइन बना के खड़े होकर करते थे प्रेयर, अभी आप लाइन तो बना नहीं पाएंगे. यू कैन स्टैंड इन लाइंस, बट एटलीस्ट यू कैन स्टैंड इन योर प्लेसेस. Wherever you are, you can just stand and join your hands and close your eyes. Will you do that from tomorrow? Yes, Ishanvi is giving a thumbs up. Omansh is giving a thumbs up. All right, okay. So from tomorrow, we'll stand and say the prayer. Right? Okay. Now, children, you all know we are starting with the unit tests on Monday, 29. And the unit tests are going to be on Google from that also you know. Now listen very carefully. I have already told your parents. Now I'm going to tell you how you're going to do the tests. You will get questions and each question will have options. Each question will have some options. You will have to just pick the correct option. You will have to just pick the correct option. आपने केजी क्लास में गूगल फॉर्म पे टेस्ट नहीं दिया है, सो आपके लिए ये नया है. It is something new for you all. Okay, let me wait. There are some children still joining in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rudraksh. Good morning, Arav, Shubh, Hardik. Good morning. Hassan, good morning. All these children have just joined, so good morning to all of you. Now, listen
Good
carefully to
morning,
what.
ma'am.
Good morning. I was just telling the class that from tomorrow, for the prayer, you are all going to stand in your places. You will stand and join your hands. Like in school, we
Ma'am.
stand and do the prayer. Same way, you will stand in your place. You will join your hands and stand straight for the prayer.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shubh?
Excuse me, ma'am. पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
शुभ, अभी मैंने कोई पेज नंबर नहीं बताया बेटे, अभी आपको सिर्फ सुनना है जो मैम बोल रही है. ऑलराइट, from tomorrow you will stand for the prayer, all of you, right? Another thing, यूनिट टेस्ट मंडे से शुरू हो रहे हैं आपके, आप लोगों को पता है. रिवीजन भी हमने ऑलमोस्ट सब चीज़ का रिवीजन हम लोग ने टेस्ट कर लिया है. सो आप लोगों ने लर्न भी कर लिया है. यू आर थरा, यू आर रेडी फॉर द टेस्ट. यस, जैसे जैसे हम लोग लेसन्स कंप्लीट करते जा रहे थे, मैम ने आप लोगों को टेस्ट दिए थे, रिवीजन कर लिया है आपने. नाउ first time you are appearing for a test on Google form. KG, you have not done Google forms. Yes, in KG class you have not done Google forms. So I am just telling you, listen carefully. किस तरह से पैटर्न होगा, आपको क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा, उसमें ऑप्शंस होंगे. देयर बी 3 ऑप्शंस, मे बी 2 ऑप्शंस. जैसे भी आपको सारे ऑप्शंस को पहले ध्यान से पढ़ना है, क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है, फिर ऑप्शंस को ध्यान से पढ़ना है. जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है उस पर आपको टच करना है, और वो आंसर, जब आपके सारे आंसर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप दे देंगे, नीचे आता है सबमिट. यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक सबमिट और आपका टेस्ट मेरे पास आ जाता है. समझ में आया? यू विल गेट 3 ऑप्शंस, 3 में से 1 ऑप्शन करेक्ट होगा. बहुत ध्यान से क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना है, ऑप्शंस को भी बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना है. मम्मी को नहीं, आपको. आरव, लिसन टू व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. You have to listen to the read the options very carefully. Make sure that you are reading the question as well as the options very carefully, and then you will submit. You will get only 20 minutes time. 20 minutes का टाइम सिर्फ आपको मिलेगा, राइट? 20 मार्क्स का टेस्ट है, 20 मिनट्स मिलेगा. बी केयरफुल, डू इट वेरी नाइसली. Now, today in the third period, all of you listen carefully. Today in the third period, आज third period आपका maths है. Yes, so third period में हम आपको Google form पर एक mock test देंगे. Mock test is a test जो आप उससे आपको पता चलेगा किस तरह से आपको टेस्ट करना है. इट्स अ प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट फॉर यू, सो दैट यू नो किस तरह से गूगल फॉर्म होता है, किस तरह से आपको उसे अटेम्प्ट करना है. हिंदी मैम ने ऑलरेडी करा दिया है, कंप्यूटर मैम ने करा दिया है. आई विल ऑल्सो मेक यू ऑल डू, राइट? सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि कैसे करना है. इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. यू जस्ट हैव टू रीड एंड यू हैव टू पिक द करेक्ट आंसर. जैसे आप लोग कभी कभी यूट्यूब पर गेम्स खेलते हैं ना, फ़ोन पर कभी कभी आप लोग गेम्स खेलते हैं ना, पिक द करेक्ट आंसर, उसमें ऑप्शंस दिए होते हैं, आप जल्दी से आंसर का ऑप्शन, करेक्ट ऑप्शन को टच करते हैं. इट्स लाइक दैट. इट्स वेरी सिंपल, सो यू वॉन्ट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम्स. इन द थर्ड पीरियड टुडे आई विल बी गिविंग यू द टेस्ट. थर्ड पीरियड में हम आपको ग्रुप में लिंक पोस्ट करेंगे. 20 मिनट्स में आपको वो करके सबमिट कर देना है, मेरे पास रिस्पॉन्सेज आ जाएंगे. 20 मिनट्स के बाद जिसका आएगा उसका एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. ओनली 20 मिनट्स के अंदर जिनके आ जाएंगे उनका आई विल टेक. राइट? यस प्रांजलि,
आज ही टेस्ट होगी.
आज थर्ड पीरियड में मैथ्स का टेस्ट है. इट इज अ सिंपल टेस्ट. नंबर नेम्स आपने लर्न करे हैं, नंबर्स लर्न करे हैं, टेबल्स लर्न करे हैं, राइट? दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन यू अ मैथ्स वन. इट्स अ सिंपल वन. Right? Now this is your science period. So today we are going to do little verbal revision of science. हम साइंस का रिवीजन अभी आपको, रिटन में हम लोग ऑलरेडी रिवीजन साइंस का कर चुके हैं, अभी हम लोग ओरली करेंगे. हम आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे और आपको ऑप्शंस देंगे, आपको करेक्ट ऑप्शन का आंसर बताना है. सिट स्ट्रेट, और कोई भी आउट ऑफ टर्न आंसर नहीं करेगा. नोबडी विल आंसर आउट ऑफ टर्न. राइट? ऑल ऑफ यू सिट स्ट्रेट. Fold your hands, all of you. Rudraksh, ready? Sit straight. Okay, good. right. We will begin with me and my family. We'll begin with me and my family. All right. Prashasti, first question for you. Prashasti, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first question for you. Listen carefully. All the others also pay attention. Who all
Okay,
make up
ma'am.
our family? The question is who all make up our family? And your options are, listen to the options carefully. First option, teacher, doctor, uncle, auntie make up our family. Second option, my friends, pets make up my family. Third option, our father, mother, brother, or sister make up our family.
Ma'am, our father, brother, mother, sister, our family.
Okay, so the third option, yes. See, some children they are showing with their fingers. That's right. Manjeet is showing the third option. Okay, so the answer, the correct answer is the third option. Right, very good. All right. Now, make sure your cameras are on so you can see me and I can see you, children. All right, Inaya, the next question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Inaya, listen to the next question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ane. Next question, Inaya, for
Good
you.
morning.
Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am.
The other children, please listen carefully. How do you spend time with your family? Option A, we spend time with our family by having our meals together. We also go out and play games. Second option, we spend time with our family in fighting, in quarreling. Third option, we spend time with our family. We spend time with our family in, okay, doing nothing.
Ma'am, we spend time with our family by having our meals together.
Having our meals together. We also go out and play games together. All right. Okay. Next question. Okay. Sanvi, can you hear me? Sanvi, can you hear me, child? Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Sanvi, listen to this. We should not keep our things in their proper places. We should not keep our things in the proper places. True or false? Sanvi, can you hear me? All right, visual. We should not keep our things in their proper places.
Ma'am, false.
False. Okay, right. Sanvi, there was some network problem, child. I could not hear you. Rudraksh, the next question for you.
False.
All right, Sanvi, false, right. Rudraksh, the next question for you. Rudraksh, can
Yes,
you?
ma'am.
Yes, Rudraksh. We like to spend time with our family members. True or false?
True.
True, that's right. Hayat, the next one. Hayat, can you hear me? A family lives together in a home. First option, a family lives together in a home. A family lives together in the jungle. A family lives together in the zoo. Which is the correct answer? Think and answer. Yes?
A.
A, that's right. Children, the questions are not going to be difficult. It's going to be simple. Only thing you have to think. आपको क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है और सोचना है. ऑप्शंस को अच्छे से ध्यान से देख के सोच के करना है. Everything is very easy when you start thinking. Right? Now, next. Thank you, Hayat. Ayat, the next one. Ayat Fatima Rizvi. Ayat Fatima, are you there, child?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please keep your cameras on, children. Today I can see many cameras off. All of you switch on your cameras. Arham, Shivansh, Anya, all of you switch on your cameras.
Ma'am.
All right, Ayat, the next one.
Yes,
A dash lives together in a home. A dash lives together in a home. And your options are, listen to the options. A family lives together in a home. A family lives together in a home. Or a book lives together in a home.
ma'am, family.
फैमिली वेरी गुड. आपको सिर्फ सोचना है. दो ऑप्शंस दिए, एक ऑप्शन रॉन्ग है, एक ऑप्शन राइट है. ओके गुड. ओमांश, द नेक्स्ट वन.
Yes, ma'am.
वी मस्ट डैश आवर फैमिली मेंबर्स. लव और हेट.
Love.
Love, very good. Okay, now don't switch off your camera, keep it on. Ronik, the next question for you.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Ronik, can you hear me, child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the next one for you. We should dash and dash for our family members. We should dash and dash for our family members. Love and care, first option. Love and care. Hate and fight. Love and care. Hate and fight. Which is the correct one? Think, सोच के बताइए. हमें फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ लव एंड केयर करना है या हेट एंड फाइट?
Love and care.
Love and care. Where you go? See, it is very simple. You have to just think and answer. Yes or no? Isn't it simple? This is how you will have questions on your Google form, children. So you just have to think. आपको सोचना है. आप फर्स्ट टाइम गूगल फॉर्म पर क्वेश्चंस दे रहे हैं, एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं, आपको सोच के करना है. इट्स नथिंग डिफिकल्ट, राइट? नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लेसन. Now we move on to the next lesson. If you want, you can open your books. Next lesson, our home. Open your books. All right, Hardik.
Yes.
Where does your mother cook food? Where does your mother cook food?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Okay, now I am not going to give you options. This time I will not give you options. Let me see if I get the correct answers from you without the options.
Page number.
Page number 11. Let's see if I get the correct answers from you. I've been telling you keep revising. We have done the revision also. All right. Sit straight, all of you. Pranjali, the next one from you. The next question is for you, Pranjali. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Why do we need a home? सोच के बताइए. हमें घर की जरूरत क्यों होती है? Why do we need a home?
बाहर से बचने के लिए.
बर्ड से बचने के लिए. ओके. और उधर मत देखिए, दीदी की तरफ मत देखिए. दीदी नहीं, आप सोच के बताइए.
तूफान से.
Okay, it keeps you safe from the storm. What else? All right. Shivansh, why do we
Yes,
need
ma'am.
a house? Why do we need a house?
We need a house as it keeps us safe from heat, cold, dirt, and dust.
And various
Where
animals. Okay, very good. Right answer, Shivansh. Good. All right, Nipun, the next question for you. What are the things you see in a bathroom?
ma'am, tub, shower,
Give the complete answer. We see.
we see
Yes.
tub,
We see a tub.
shower,
Okay. Yes.
toilet, and wash basin.
Wash basin. Okay, fine. You have named whatever you see in the washroom. That's right. Okay, good. Next, Ishanvi. What are the different rooms in a house? What are the different rooms in a house, Ishanvi?
Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room, dining room.
Okay, very good. That's right. Okay. Aradhya. All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
Aradhya. Now you tell me, a house keeps us safe from rain. True or false? सोच के बताइए. A house keeps us safe from the rain.
True.
True. Yes, that's right. Okay, Vaishnavi, the next one. The bedroom has a gas stove. True or false? Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, look in front. False. Okay, good. Manjeet, the next one. We sleep in the bathroom. Manjeet, you are giving
Yes,
the right
ma'am.
answer with action, but you have to speak also.
Yes, ma'am. All.
False. Okay, that's right. Good.
Correct these answers, ma'am.
Shivansh, you're asking something?
मैम पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
Shivansh, I'm on page number 14 just now.
ओके मैम.
All right. Okay, the next question. The next question. Arham, Arham, are you there?
यस मैम.
All right, the next question. We bathe in the kitchen. True or false?
फॉल्स.
False. That's right. We don't bathe in the kitchen. Right? All right. Now the next one. Let's see. Ali, come on, your turn now. Ali. Children, keep your cameras on. You children, today you are playing with the camera. Today most of you are switching off your camera. What is happening? Ali, are you there? मुझे पता नहीं चलता फिर आप क्लास में हैं कि नहीं है. Ali, are you there? Yes, Vaishnavi, yes. No copies, only book, science book. We are not doing any written work just now. Yes, Ali, next question for you. A house gives us shelter from heat or sweet? Ali, a house gives us shelter from heat or sweet? Heat. Okay, that's right. Good. Vinayak, the next question for you.
यस मैम.
Yes, Vinayak. We sleep in the bedroom or dining room?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. That's right. All right. I think everybody's got a chance. Astha? Astha? The dash room has dining table and chairs. Which room
Ma'am,
has dining table
ma'am,
and chairs? Living room or the dining room?
इसमें आप ऐसे इसको रिपीट कर देंगी.
Which room? The dash room has a dining table. Dining table किस रूम में होता है? Which room? Living room or the dining room?
Dining room.
Dining room. That's right. Okay, good. All right. Now moving on to the next chapter, that is our neighborhood. Aradhya is feeling sleepy.
Excuse me,
All
ma'am.
right. The next chapter. Next chapter, our neighborhood. Shubh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, I have got a slum.
You'll get a chance. Don't worry, you'll get a chance. Okay. All right, Shubh. The next question. Listen carefully. We go to a park or bank to play.
Ma'am, park.
Park. That's right. You have to think and answer. Very good. Arav, the next one for you. We go to a market or park to buy things.
Ma'am, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही है.
We go to Ishanvi, your mic is on, child. We go to we go to a market or park to buy things.
Ma'am, market.
Market, that's right. Okay. Wali, Wali, are you there? All right, Wali, listen carefully. And children, please keep your cameras on. So many of you today, your cameras are off. Yes, Wali, we go to a hospital when we are well or when we are sick. We go to a hospital when we are well or sick. Which option is correct? Sick. Right. We go to a hospital when we are sick. Okay. So, children, now this is how you're going to study. You will learn up the correct answers very nicely. Learn up the entire lesson. Give the lessons a reading. जब आप अच्छे से लेसन को रीड करेंगे, आपको लेसन समझ में आ जाएगा, तो आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हैं. लेसन से कुछ भी पूछा जाएगा, आप आंसर कर लेंगे, क्योंकि आपने लेसन को अच्छे से पढ़ा है, समझा है. दैट इज़ वाई आई ऑलवेज टेल यू रीड द लेसन. फॉर होमवर्क आई ऑलवेज गिव यू रीड द लेसन. Now, all of you sit straight. Let me take your attendance first. And then, next period is your moral science. You'll be ready with your moral science books in the next period. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just now, sit straight. Let's have attendance. Please answer loudly. और कोई किसी और के लिए present नहीं बोलेगा. आन्या निगम,
Yes, ma'am.
आरव मौर्य,
Present, ma'am.
आयत मोमिना हैदर, अधिराज अग्रवाल, अधिराज अग्रवाल, अंश फ्रांसिस, आराध्या श्रीवास्तव,
Present, ma'am.
आस्था त्रिपाठी,
Present, ma'am.
आयत फातिमा रिजवी,
Present, ma'am.
क्रिस्टोफर मैसी. Christopher, answer, child. I can see you there. Hayat Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Children, all of you keep your cameras on first. If I cannot see you, then I'll have to mark you absent. Switch on your cameras. Inaya Khan,
Present, ma'am.
Ishanvi Singh, Hriday Singh, Rishita Somani,
Present, ma'am. Ma'am.
Mahira Fazal, Manjeet Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Meher Fatima Naqvi,
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मैम
Yes.
हार्दिक का नाम नहीं लिया आपने प्रेजेंट में
Hardik,
हार्दिक का नाम नहीं लिया प्रेजेंट
Christopher Hardik. Hardik, I've marked you present. Yes, Hardik. I've marked you present, child. I can see you there on the screen. Mohammad Arham,
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Mustafa, Mohammad Hassan,
Present, ma'am.
Nipun Giri, Nipun, Omansh Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Nipun, you are there in the meeting but your camera is off. चिल्ड्रन, आप लोग क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी कैमरा ऑफ कर देते हैं और वहाँ से चले जाते हैं, तो आपको अटेंडेंस नहीं मिल पाएगी when you are not answering and I cannot see you. Pranjali Singh, Prashasti Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Prashasti,
Ma'am, I am present.
Nipun, you have joined from another ID. There's some problem at the network. Okay.
Yes,
All right, Nipun, I've marked you. All right. Ronik
you, ma'am.
Rastogi,
Present, ma'am.
Ria,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh Sandil, Rudraksh is absent, his camera is off. Now he has switched it on. Sakina Abbas,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh,
Present, ma'am.
Shubh Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Syed Mohammad Wali Abbas, Syed Mohammad Ali Altamash, Vaishnavi Gupta,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Rehan Tiwari, Visual Mehra,
ma'am.
okay, Vinayak Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
Sanvi Sonkar,
Present,
Arav Nigam, Anay Mishra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. You know children, some of you स्क्रीन पर अगर आपका कैमरा ऑन है, आप मुझे देख रहे हैं, तो अगर आपका नेम मिस भी हो जाता है, बट आई कैन सी यू देयर, सो आई पुट प्रेजेंट फॉर यू बिकॉज आई कैन सी यू देयर. Some of you, you switch off your cameras and you sit down nicely. I can't see you when I'm calling out your name. If you're not answering, then how can I mark you present, child? So please be careful that you don't play with the cameras. Okay? Now take your break and have water in the break. All of you have water, go to the washroom.
Thank you, ma'am.
We'll meet in the next period for moral